Hi guys, good morning. So I'm just creating this video for myself and my friend to understand how the market and how the trade can be possible in the today's market. So right now, as we see that market is taking this breakout from this 45,000 level, and as per the previous outcome of the results, as per many of the FII and DI were short on the futures and options because as we see, they have sold almost 1.20 lakhs call yesterday, means on the previous trading sessions. So that means they are still like they were bearish on the drum of election, that election result will be coming negative, and that way they can capture that move if this down move can be possible. So if today we talk about this thing, the result of the election in all three states is very positive, and BJP have won the majority on those elections. So that means this kind of things like market can almost cap up 200 point, 300 point in Bank Nifty, and then the Nifty I can expect that will be opening around 20,400, between 20,350 to 400. That means there will be a gap. So right now it's 8:45, means it will be opening in like pre-opening we can see at 9 a.m. So that means like there will be a gap, and also if this is opening this way, then I'll show you something. So there is a if we go to the open test, we see that between, sorry, this is not one. So we can see at 20,200 there is a 25x call sold, and at this level we see 15 lakhs call sold. At 20,300 we see 42 lakhs call sold, and then at 400 we see 52 lakhs call. So that all guys will be trapped. Whoever given this short on the Nifty, almost 50 lakhs plus 50 almost 1 crore calls seller have been trapped over there. So it's opening high above this 400 something as 400, and there will be a short covering move, we can say it's short covering. But moreover, as per my view, it will be like uh, if they have kind of long, if we see Nifty weekly, sorry, monthly, then we see that there is a support at 200, and then, sorry, then we cannot see any bearish signal till to 20,500. That means people are, no, on the long term, on the long way for the December month, they are bullish. So that means there will be a short covering if this is opening, gap up. And same with Bank Nifty, I'll see the Bank Nifty. So we see 45,000 have 25 lakhs call souls, and this all thing, that all guys will be trapped if this is a opening gap up to 400, 300 points. Then either they what they can do, they will be shorting opposite position, like they will short put on the big number to manage the positions. They will aggressively short put, or what they can do, if they have kind of clarity that no, now market cannot go down, then what they will do, they will cover up their positions, they will exit the positions. So that's the kind of short covering move will be coming from that point. If we see monthly OI of the Bank Nifty, then we can see only there is a small resistance. We cannot say it's big resistance because right now we see that there is only 9 lakhs call sold over there. So there's all things like PCR ratio and all things is positive as per sentiments, and we can see that this seller are exiting over there. So my view is like if this is opening gap up over there, then there is a short covering move, and this 20,200 to 20,250 will be a great support for the Nifty, and there will be, if there is any call back, then this will be the accumulation zone. And I feel like if this support is broken, then it can go down. But while this 20,200 is already secure, then there is no possibility of going down. Of course it can create any scenario and gap up gap down, that's a different part. But now, as per my view, if this is opening over here, then we have to notice in first 5 minutes if the profit booking is done. And let me point out with this way. Let's assume it will be opening somewhere near here. So in first 5 minutes, if profit booking is done, and then it's trying to cross the opening or the high, then we have to go for this call side movement. Same with the bank, but right now I can expect less in Nifty, but Bank Nifty will be a bullish because there is two three things. covering over there. First of all, this 45,000 things are there. So people who are been short over there on this level will be covering up the positions. And then apart from that, if we are thinking that okay, now this opening is over here, then this all long term sellers will be trapped and they will be exiting the positions like this way. Like we have no, sorry, we have noticed this thing over here. If if you go over here, we can see that this way it can happen. Like those all seller will be having the stop loss over there, and that it opened the gap up and then it run away the way, like almost 2%, I must say. Almost almost 1.5%. So this way, the way it have given the move on 29th of the November, it can same way the Bank Nifty can give the move. If, and then again, this will be the 45,000 will be a great support. So on between 45,200 to 45,000, it will be a accumulation zone. I'm not expecting any gap down or something like that because all the sentiments are positive. International sentiments are positive, and that everything is as per expectation now. As per my trading plan, if we are getting any pullback over there on the first 5 minute and then we are crossing this way, we will go for the call. In the top, if on the top anywhere like over here or somewhere around 500 or somewhere we are getting M and then we are getting neck break of the M, we will go for the short positions. And if we are getting, okay, this is maybe possible, it's opening gap up and then coming down and then creating a W and then we are getting break of the W and then we will go for the call side. So that's the whole. But mostly there is a like possibility of cap up and run away if there is no like any negative news about the components. Any if any component is creating issue. But again, I have one more valid things over there. See, this guy like whoever have short position on Nifty, this bigger sorry, this bigger OI, they might be a big people, so they can they can try to protect their positions and they will hedge it with component selling or something like that. So I'm expecting that if there is no like let's say this way, if market is opening up, it's coming down, it's not crossing this way, we are not going to take the call trade while we are not getting W at the bottom. So that's the trade plan for today. And then for the if we analyze the bigger frame, like if we analyze how we can go for the bigger frame, then everywhere it's almost Bank Nifty is almost oversold on hourly, and then almost Nifty is oversold on daily and hourly and everywhere. So Nifty is already approaching oversold positions, oversold scenario on the daily, weekly candle also. So that means a small pullback is possible, but depend on when it will become. Again, people used to say that when market is greedy, everyone is greedy. You have to be conscious that now there can be a down move. So almost 80% of the people are bullish right now. So let's say we just need to understand how the price function. But my point is, if it's opening gap up, then those all trapped seller will be trapped by, whoever sold the call will be trapped and they will be trying to covering the positions. So that's for the day, and then we'll cover whatever the trade we are taking, we'll cover that also. Thanks.